Okay. Okay, sure, yes. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, add.
Another, yeah.
Okay. Continue. Let's see, what do I got here? I'm just going to enter it manually. Yep. And then begin. Type it myself. There we go.
Exactly.
Okay, this belongs to me. Okay, and let's see. Government civil retirement, correct? Was that right?
Yes.
Okay, that was
yes.
okay. Yep. And then here we go. Retirement Boyer. That's Office of. Continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go ahead and enter.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't have my. I gotta get my. Where is that? 13. I gotta come. 13,000. I gotta write it all back down again. So let's see. I gotta go back to my this thing here. My downloads. Alright, my 99R. Okay, so I gotta put in there. It appears to be correct there. Back out. Gross distribution. Alright. Federal 10, 5. Distribution code is a 7. Again, tax.
Is there any taxable amount? Box A, 2A, sorry.
That should be the same. 826. None. 7 distribution. Nothing else in 7. Nothing in 9. Now we're back to jeez, 120 state. State New York. I need the state number. Darn. Download. State number. See. State number. 7612. Okay, back to. There's nothing anywhere else. There's nothing else on these forms.
Okay.
Coming back.
Is there a state number or something?
That's what. Yeah, there's 3. I had to write that down from my other thing. 7, 2. 7, 6, 1, 2. Okay, that appears to be it.
Okay.
Yep. So we'll go.
Continue.
Continue.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Just give me a sec. Still the source of this. Enter on this.
Should be this one here.
Retirement distribution from U.S. government. Yeah. Looks like that.
Okay, down we go. I believe that is it.
Yep.
Okay.
Continue. The money was being.
No.
I need to find. No, none of this apply.
None apply.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't roll it over or anything. I didn't convert it. So do not roll over and convert.
Yeah.
Okay. You found a few questions about your situation.
Okay. Continue.
Okay. This is a monthly payment that I receive from the government. So I need to make sure I click that right. Regular payment monthly. Okay.
So for the rear buyer, this was the amount shown in taxable annuity box. The taxable amount. Okay.
That should be the.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then this is that from that, and then this is from that total amount. Okay.
Okay. Continue.
Okay. No, we haven't had any disaster yet.
Okay.
And now we're back to this. So this is.
Yeah. We'll go through the state as well together.
Okay.
Come down. Wrap up income.
Wrap it up.
Yeah.
Okay, and still no effect as far as that's concerned, I guess.
Okay, continue.
Okay. Did you acquire or sell? Nope. And we're back to this again, and then now we need to check reviews.
Yeah, review that.
I'll come back in a few minutes on that one, but
okay,
but we can clean because I didn't put in because when I changed it last night, it dumped all my charitable contributions, but I didn't come back to fix it, so I'll do that after we figure out what's on that. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'll come back and do that as soon as we figure out what the state is.
Got it. Okay.
So basically that is it for that.
Yeah, wrap up.
Okay, wrap it up.
Yes. Yeah.
And see, that was from that.
Continue.
Yep. And then let's see. Move. Nope. That should be no. Yep. Let's go and income results, and that should be that.
Yeah.
And then based on what you told, they're taking the standard deduction.
Okay. That's okay. Continue.
And then charitable contributions, nothing yet. Should I just leave it blank, or should I put a 0 in there right now?
So just to when you come back to this section, you can fill it out. But this is an added tax credit they are giving for 2020 as part of CARES Act.
Okay.
Usually you can't take a charitable donation if you don't itemize, but in 2020 you can claim up to $300 on charity. It's an added deduction you can take out of your income. The maximum is $300.
All right, so we're almost there. I believe this is keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, stimulus, yes, we did. We got both of them. So continue. Crunch the numbers, and then check your federal return. Here we go. See what happens. Okay, look good. Continue on detail to review. What the heck was that? Okay, to-do list. Here we go. And there it is. It's back. But the state distribution did not move, and there's no way to change it.
Right. Definitely, it looks more like a software problem, right? Because you did everything right. Hold on.
Now, like I said last night, I made the 120 a 0, and it sucked that 120 out of the state.
Yeah. So you can't do that. You need the 120. Yeah. It's your hard-earned money. We'll get it fixed. Hold on. If I'm going to also check on my side if there is a software glitch or anything that they are working on for this.
Okay.
I just want to, because they are going to ask me, did you go through that again before you submitted and stuff. That's why I wanted to go through that again and double check and stuff before I go.
Right, and I did it last night. So
got it.
So it's done. Been done twice.
Okay, perfect. No, we deleted the one you did last night, and now we did that. And yes, you are from your side. You did everything right. Let me check with them, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so there we are. We did it twice, and it still did the same thing. Didn't know you were able to get a $300 charity distribution. So let's see if there's any more on that. But yeah, we gave charity, but I'll readjust that physically here in a minute. She just told me to throw that in there. It actually gave you a $300 ad in your.
They're gonna take few minutes to respond back. I just submitted the request. It's more like a chat on my side.
Okay.
Okay. As soon as I hear from them, I'm gonna keep updating you. Okay. Sorry for the wait.
Hey, no, that's I don't know. The past 3 years, like I said, there's been a glitch in my processing, and I've had to get with somebody live to figure out what's going on. So I guess I don't understand. This should be just the basic. I know the last 2 years there was a lot of updates, and they weren't in the system yet, and it was holding me up from filing. But this should just be a straight across.
That is true. That is true. Okay. Someone is online.
And this is my 13th year with you guys.
Awesome. We'll take care of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had
Thank you for being a valid customer. I'm just on the side. She's asking what the problem is. Let me.
Okay. Good.
Form and move the state distribution box. Okay. So the state distribution launch. It is not matching.
So it's definitely a glitch in the system, because those both should have transferred over at the same time. And there's no way to change it unless it asks you to.
Right. So, she's checking, but she's saying they changed the box 2A, the gross distribution box and stuff. But we entered whatever that form asked us. That shouldn't be the problem. I wonder if we need to update the software or something. We'll get to it once I get an answer from her. Okay? We'll see if we need this online software to be updated.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. She's still checking, but once I get an answer, I'll be with you. We can see if we can update it, okay?
Okay. So, it's good that you're I would prefer, like she said, I'd prefer to be able to talk to her on the phone. I can see her face on there. She can't see me, but she can hear me, That works fantastic, instead of you trying to keep texting her. There's such a lag in between. Okay, right now it's between her and technical support as to what's going on here. I guess at the very least they'll have to update the software on this. I hope that's not gonna dump all my deductions. Whew, I hope not. Hopefully, yeah, that would that would be bad if I have to redo everything. That would be really, really bad. Man. Wow. I hope that's not the case. We'll find out.
Boxes that need to be filled.
Okay.
So you may have to call your retirement company, like is it Fidelity or wherever it's set up?
No.
You have to call them to get the updated form for 1099-R to reflect the boxes that's correct.
I see.
It is not. Yeah, it is not. So they like I said, there is no place to enter the gross distribution for your state. But apparently they added few boxes that reflect that, so we need that updated form, it seems.
That's the military. That's the military government. I don't know how that's going to happen.
Yeah. So we are also going to see. So this is all I got from my side, but I want to try something with you. Like, can we see if there is an update or something on the TurboTax online software that we can see if we can update and if it does something?
Okay.
Do you want to try that?
Okay, yeah. That's not going to affect my federal, is it? Where I'm going to have to redo everything?
Yeah, it may not, but they are suggesting you to call and get the updated 1099R. That's the answer I got.
Oh.
Yeah. Because it doesn't say anything under state for gross distribution or anything. None of those is reflected. The other thing is, if there is no state distribution on your retirement, then there should not be any withheld.
Okay, no, but the 99 I got in that box. That's all that's on that form is just the distribution, the federal that was paid, and then the state that was paid. So I don't understand how that would not, because the federal, it shows them in the right box, but then when it transfers over to the state, that form does not get filled in.
Yeah, the updated form should have an added box for state gross distribution. It is not there on your 1099R.
Okay,
it's
right.
Not showing anything for your distribution.
Right. But that's the federal form, matches the federal form on here. But why doesn't it transfer from the federal part of your TurboTax to the state?
Yeah, it is not transferring for some reason. Maybe it doesn't have all the boxes filled in for the current form. We need something. We need that updated form. Let's see. Jill, can you share your code with me? That way I can look at it again and see if there is anywhere else we can add that gross distribution.
Okay, share.
I can look that up for you. So when you go to the bottom of the screen, there is something called Co-Browse.
Okay, bottom of my screen. It says okay. Yeah, I see it.
Do you you should get a 6-digit code on that. If you could give that to me,
Yep.
I can connect your screen.
Yep, I just got the code 723347.
Okay. Awesome. Perfect. It's the client. Okay. I'm going to ask her to share the screen with us.
Okay, because well, I'm filling in the federal, which is complying with the form that I got, but when it transfers it from the federal
Right.
on your in the TurboTax going over to the state box, they're not compatible between those two screens. So how? Because I don't physically fill in the state form on here. It automatically fills it in when you transfer. Should I just go ahead and file my federal by itself?
No, don't do that. We are going to fix that. You can't, because that won't work, because that won't take care of your state withheld, whatever that amount is, because the error is there. Hold on, I'm going to...
Yeah, because we have no control as to how to fill out this. There's no federal state form by itself that you fill out like you do your federal.
Right, exactly. She's saying go to federal. So someone else is also sharing the screen with us. So
Okay, good.
She's saying go to federal income.
That would help, so she'll be able to understand what's going on here. Let's see, I need review. Okay, let's see. Gotta go back to home again.